I mean, you can ignore that, but like kiss and burp after that's
don't kiss it, just stop burp.
That's not cute.
Not cute, that's Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So today guys, based on the title, you see that we're doing a would you rather challenge, and you know Miss Petite is back again.
That's right.
But before we get into that though guys, if you are new here or a returning viewer and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that right now.
Hurry up now. Hurry up and do it.
Alright, and for the returning subscribers, big up yourself. So let's get started. Question.
Oh.
Let's see what me appear deal with. First question. Would you rather to lose your ability to read or you lose your ability to speak?
Speak. No, read.
I never prefer lose it for read.
No, I
too.
love chat.
And what if I don't spot out there who can read nothing and survive life?
I love chat.
I will lose the read.
I will lose it because people are survive with illiteracy. So I can't talk. No.
Would you prefer to cry colored tears or fart sprinkles?
Right? Listen, I don't know if anybody have the essay about me ever guessing something. So just to fart and you see like little sprinkles coming up. Imagine how nice that would be.
No, but me I prefer to cry the colored tears because I cry that often, so it's not gonna happen.
That's the
that
problem. You don't cry often, so you don't need that. But if you fart often, you need the nice sprinkles. The sprinkles will be real nice.
I'll take the tears. Would you prefer to be forced to dance every time you hear music, or sing out loud every time you hear a song play?
The one you're rough.
I don't know, probably I'm gonna take the dancing.
The singing,
But then again, you know,
I'm not really that talented person. So when it comes to singing, so maybe the dancing, because we can do all the things. But I feel like we can do all the dancing.
I'm not sure about the
so
singing
maybe
part.
I do the dancing, but the singing part, I'm not really the
Or
most
maybe I can
talented
just
in
be
that.
our earmuff.
I'm not the most talented in that area at all. So yeah.
Would you rather to be forced to kill an innocent person or 5 persons who committed a minor crime?
5 persons who committed
A
minor crime?
Minor crime or
Be like petty theft and stuff?
Just the minor crimes.
Well, like criminals are criminal, you know.
That's what I see.
Why would I want to kill an innocent
The one
person?
innocent person I got up on my chest.
Yeah, like that's too much. Because I mean, at the same time, like criminals, they're gonna keep doing it. So you know, that can't stop. Once you're a thief, you're a thief.
Yeah. God will forgive me for those 5 persons.
Feel so too.
Would you rather to know when you're going to die or how you're going to die?
No, they're rough.
When you're going to die or how? Alright.
I don't want to know when.
But
Because then I think I'll be, or it kind of, it has its pros and cons.
Yeah, because I prefer to know when than how. Why?
You can live your life.
Yeah.
You can just live.
If you know how,
Yeah.
so you know it's a car accident, you gotta avoid cars, and then you gotta live a very paranoid life. But if you know when now, you know, say, alright then, it not happen right now, I can do what I do. Yeah, when you get closer to the date now,
Yeah,
it's
so
like
maybe
harder.
the when.
But we know how.
We don't want to
hard
know.
to- yeah, you know,
Because mega thing about this
every day. Every day, because you don't know when it's gonna happen.
Yeah,
So I think my
we
prefer
don't want
that.
to know how.
Would you rather to be unable to have kids or only able to conceive quadruplets?
Quadruplets, because we can't have them one time.
Then suppose you get pregnant every year.
No, sir.
You said the quadruplets, at least I know that I'm having children. But
yeah.
Can you imagine? Walk around with 16 pitney on my foot?
You can't do that. You can't do that. Worse if you can't feed the first 8. Or you feed the rest. Yeah, so like a runner now, like, no.
Would you rather to go back 5 years old with knowing everything that you know now, or to know everything now that you would know in the future?
Go again.
So go back to being a 5-year-old knowing everything that you know now, or find out everything now that you would know in the future.
Maybe 5, go back.
To 5-year-old?
Oh, 5-year-old.
Yeah,
I thought you said 5 years
as a
ago.
5-year-old knowing everything you know now. So you're going to be one little 5-year-old
No, with a big, with an adult mindset. No.
Not living a
Can't do that. I mean, because that's what I see now. Kids nowadays, they're not being kids. A lot of them, they're too grown, and like the things that we were doing back then, they're not doing that now. They're more into like the technological side of things, and we used to just have fun, run up and down,
and
and
we used to afraid to do
yeah,
them. I don't know.
we just had fun with the things that we had. We never used to go tablet and then put something there. When 5 o'clock, you would go, you go watch Dragon Ball Z or you
start the morning, they get up and watch
Thundercats and then something like they don't have those things though. Yeah.
These kids are more concerned with getting the latest phone and
tablets and stuff.
Tablets and
so yeah, I'll pass on that one.
Would you rather skin that changes color based on your mood, or a tattoo appears on your skin at any point with what you did yesterday?
The mood, but then me mood is bad, so my color would have changed every second. But I'll take the mood.
Can you imagine they do something and it just come in your fire this morning? I walk up and down like everybody said,
that should be yesterday. You don't have to even ask, you just see it. No, son, I can't do that.
I will rock the skin color, you know, just accordingly. Would you rather everything you think appear over your head for everyone to see, or your entire life being showcased on a live stream?
The one are rough, Shamar.
Everything you think comes over your head.
No, make me have some
thoughts. So you imagine all today when we see the mannequin.
Listen, so we're walking at half a tree. Shamar forgot to block that. But we're walking into half a tree, right? And same time, I don't know why, but made her look at, no, before she even looked at me, we said, like the mannequin sexy. I feel like they must stop making these mannequins so realistic. Because the mannequin have on the shirt, and I don't know if you guys, the ladies, like, you know, you love some man with them little, you know, the 2 or the 3 buttons open right and stuff. And then their pants, and it was a long sleeve, right, long sleeve white linen shirt, button open man, the pants fitted, and him have beard and mustache and everything. Like,
mannequin nice.
That's not right. That's just not right. No, sir. That's not right.
People go see the thoughts in my head and say, look up.
I say, I'm mannequin.
Would you rather unlimited first class international tickets, or never pay for food at a restaurant again?
First class.
Me travel.
Give me that.
Can buy.
Give me that.
I'll take
if
the
a party me
first class.
if a party me have a feed pan, me feed pan party. Give me the first class travel. Ticket expensive.
Ticket expensive.
And I want to go so many places. Like, give me the free ticket.
Yeah, and then when you check it out, the cost of food wherever you're visiting now go compared to the
ticket price.
The ticket prices. So it makes sense. Would you rather to marry to a 10 with a bad personality, or a 6 with an amazing personality?
To a 10?
Yeah.
You mean the person is 10?
Is a 10. 10 out of 10.
Or a 6 with
Out
what?
of 6, we have a good personality.
I
Me
think
tell you
6.
6.
I'm not really crazy about
All
10.
if a 4.
Yeah.
The
Mm-hmm.
10 can't stay.
At the 10 them gear bun. So give me the 6.
Give me the 6. The 10
Only
have
for
too
bun.
much. Too
Can't
much
manage
people
the
back
one day.
home. I don't want him.
Mm-hmm.
Would you go to jail for a year or lose a year of your life?
Oh, that.
Would you rather to go to
No,
jail
but
for
you lose a year of your life. You just forget it?
You're supposed to live for 60 years, you're going to live 59 instead.
Alright, me do that.
Instead of going to jail for the year? But technically going to jail for the year is losing a
You
year
pretty
of your
much
life.
lose a year because you're just in a jail. But I mean, you're still living. But I'd rather to just be out here and do whatever instead of being inside.
Instead of being inside. And then I already know how long I live. So I lose 1 year, I not still know
Makes
the
sense.
difference.
Mm.
Okay. Would you rather fart loudly every time fart loudly every time you have a serious conversation or burp every time you kiss?
Fart.
You got to try now for
You
a
can,
serious
I mean,
conversation.
yeah. I mean, you can ignore that, but like kiss and burp after
I
that's
said don't
awful.
kiss it, just stop burp.
That's not cute.
It's not cute, that's But then imagine you and somebody have an argument and all you do is fart. The argument done, you know?
From you see the argument arise, just walk away. Just take away yourself.
Would you give up bathing for a month or internet for a month?
Bathing. Just put on the roll on.
Yeah, give up bathing for the month, man.
What are you gonna do without the internet at this time? At this point in my life?
No, say
Everything's
you
around
don't
the
have
internet.
work from home. You're going to work every day. And you're
I
going to
work
give up
on
the
the
bathing?
internet. I work on the internet. Work is the internet. So you work on
I'm
it.
going to do the month.
So you're not going to be in the can wipe up. You never go country yet. You never go country yet and never
People
bathroom
have never given the
outside.
option of wipe up. I assume
So-
you're just going to stay dirty and stay stinky.
No, you can't wipe. You wipe up, then have to be.
So I guess then I know what you'll answer for this one. Would you rather free Wi-Fi wherever you go or a battery that on your phone that never dies?
Free Wi-Fi. No, but then again, that's already a possibility. Well, not here, overseas. But I always have service.
Yeah, for me, that's like a battery that
You
never
know, the
dies
battery, yeah.
and buy the service.
Because I always have service, yeah. Once you have postpaid, then you good.
Would you rather out of control body hair or strong body odor?
Give me the hair.
I'll be the beast.
Give me the hair.
Grow hair, grow. Can you imagine?
I can't deal with that. Them body odor something.
Walk up and don't stink.
No, that just not gonna work.
But you never want beard.
But I go wipe up my arm. But that's different. Because I go wipe up my arm and I go put a roll on. So who gonna smell me? I go wipe the places that we need to be wiped.
I don't know.
What
Let me take the hair. Would you rather clean bathrooms for a living or work in a slaughterhouse?
I'm in the bathroom. Slaughterhouse is the animals,
Animals. Like me probably that
right?
stuff
You can't
is
see blood
meat.
every day. Like
Yeah.
it's a little bit too much. So I'll clean the bathrooms.
Yeah, we can't always clean up yourself after.
Yeah.
But some things they in a public bathroom going, Amanda.
Hey, I don't know. The one they rough. Because no, like going back and thinking about bathrooms that I've been in were
Some
just.
things they in a public bathroom, you know.
When we go Texas, like I think we stopped in a Texas one time, and we're going to this bathroom, this gas station bathroom. So the bathroom, disgust, a beer flying, tissue on the floor, and I said,
Yeah, like and people are use it same way like
Tomorrow, I
people,
open the door and I look, I never come out. I say no, me drive no matter how much hours I can drive, me drive because I now use the bathroom there. It's awful, man. So yeah, I don't know. You have some nasty bathrooms out there, but trust me, I don't know if I can do the blood every day.
No,
Type.
I mean, definitely become a vegetarian.
The part they're rough. The one
Animal rights supporter. I don't know, something like that. Couldn't manage that. So I have two more. Would you travel the world for a year on a shoestring budget?
Shoestring?
Yeah, little to no money. Or stay in one country for the year, living in luxury.
Wow.
So you get to see anywhere in the world you want, little bit of money, or live in a luxury, one little place.
It depends.
Really depends.
Well, I like the whole travel for a year thing. But it's a shoestring budget. So that means that I have to go pay for hotel or whatever.
You probably have to do some Airbnb and.
Well, I don't mind the Airbnb. It have to be a luxurious hotel. So me don't do that.
Set up 2 tent in or some little place.
Yeah, me don't do that.
Yeah,
Come like
you get to
the
see more
experience.
places.
Yeah, I like to explore. So I'm gonna definitely do that.
To stop for one place with
1 year in that no.
And eventually you're gonna get tired of the luxury.
Yeah, I'm lose interest quick. Like even if we go to a hotel for like 3 days, we can't like I don't know how people spend time at a hotel for 3 days or more. Like me I get up and I see the same thing every day, I do the same stuff.
Same restaurant,
like we can't do it.
entertainment not changing more.
But I reach day 2
every night.
Yeah.
Entertainment.
By day 2 I feel the
I think 2
interest
days
and go
is
down.
enough,
So
but people go hotel for all a week.
we can't do that. Unless I'm going to a different hotel. If we go like yes for 2 or 3 days, I may go to the next hotel, fine. But we can't stay there for a week. I don't know how people do it. But I'm mad. 2 or 3 days, the max.
The max. And the last question: would you rather chopped lips that don't heal, or terrible dandruff that will never, ever, ever, ever go away? I'll take the dandruff.
I don't have to take because I can't do them lips up there. I'm a little lick my lip
Imagine around your
No.
tongue can tell lip and all you feel. No, sir.
I'm a
Dandruff
little lick
all
my
the
lip
way.
them. So yeah, me take the dandruff. So much things out there for dandruff.
But them say the dandruff will not leave.
We take it.
Me take the dandruff. People out there living with some heavy dandruff. I'll survive.
Can't do it.
So guys, that's the end of the video. Comment below any of these things, which one you would rather and which one you think so, you know. Probably never too reasonable with. We'll continue the conversation, have the conversation in the comments. And guys, don't forget to check out Miss Petite's channel. I'll put the link down below in the description so you can go over there and support my girl.
Yeah.
So yes guys, that's it. I'll also link our other challenges down below so you can move to the next one after this one, and you know, binge watch me and something. So that's it for today guys. Don't forget to like, leave me a thumbs up
And subscribe.
hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you know whenever it is a new video is out. Okay, so until next time guys, bye.